Guys, welcome back to my channel. Please subscribe to the channel, like this video, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. We're still cruising Parklands. As you can see, it looks very beautiful, and today is very sunny. The sun is really making us to not to do the best video, but hopefully you guys are enjoying, and you can be able to see how Parklands is really developing. Yeah, as you can see, we have very nice apartments and business complex. Look at this. Is it? Okay, so some nice trees over here. So this is how Parklands looks like. Yeah. All these developments. And there's something else that is coming up over here, maybe a business shop. So Parklands is next to Nairobi CBD. It's a walking distance. You can be able to walk from Parklands to Nairobi CBD. Yeah, but it depends. If you don't have energy to do that, you can use matatu or use a taxi. Yeah. But it's a very nice neighborhood where you can be able to stay and walk. Look at this one. Executive suits. These are for the executive, and we also have another executive suit over this other side. Alright guys, give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and tell me what you think about Parklands. Serious construction happening over here. I don't know that the video is clear because it is very sunny, man. And the way we have very nice apartments over here that I want to produce a very nice video of this neighborhood. So let me see. And there is a vehicle that is reversing over here. Yeah, look at that apartment too. It's very tall. Guys, we're still in Parklands. We're still touring Parklands. So this is us walking. And there seems to be a lot of development that is coming up. So this video is going to be a bit longer because every street I'm tempted to just explore and see, because now we're supposed to use this route to go home. But I think maybe we just first of all walk this way to see this development that is over here, and then we will look for our way home.
Storms we chase are leading us. Your love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Look at this business complex, Diamond Plaza. Wow, it looks nice. Millionaire casino. Then you have a Chandrana over here. So I will not be able to go that way. Let me just continue this way. Alright guys, so thank you so much for watching my video. We are still in Parklands, and then real soon we're gonna be joining City Park, and then we go to what do you call it? We head to Thika Road, where we'll be able to walk home. Right, so this is how Parklands looks like, and very beautiful. I'm really loving it. Yeah, so please give the video a like, subscribe down below, and today guys I'm super excited. Blessings after blessings, guys. Wow. Yeah, Friday to me looks like kind of big breakthrough for me. So continue praying for me, and thank you for being my family. Thank you for your support, Sunday Boys. God bless you so much. Yes guys, I really thank you. I'm super excited guys, so forgive me for the so much emotions. I'm super emotional. Yeah. Seems like you're gonna be getting some breakthrough after so long wait. Yeah, look at these apartments. Maybe one of these good days we're gonna be getting relocating to these nice apartments after these blessings. Yeah. Thank God, man, for everything that is happening right now. Yeah, so as you watch the video, give the video a like, comment below, and tell me, can you survive in a city for 4 years without a job? Yeah, I have been surviving in Nairobi for close to 4 years, jobless. Just hustling. And it seems like God has heard my prayer, and things are becoming beautiful and amazing.
you must walk on water, 'cause I'm drowning and you made it. Met you on the corner, first in love, it was payday. Candy color nails, match the candy coated bands. I needed your contact, my eyes bugging out my head, 'cause you hot as shit. Nah, just the African. Not no bottom, top notch out of here. Love me like I love myself, love it when she smiling me. White teeth with a heart of gold, and I'ma put a diamond in it. Ring, 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 calling me. Ring like the camera is free, she calling me. Ring, 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 ring.
I got Ken Hospital and the university. So we are almost ending this video. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about my videos and this Parklands area that we are touring. It's been a nice walk. This is a hospital. Last time I came here, I had a customer. I don't know what happened. It's been a while since I heard from Cecilia. So, if Cecilia, you're gonna watch this video, what happened? You stopped ordering from me. You stopped ordering my clothes. Yeah, check me out on Instagram, Baking Collections. I have an online store that I sell some amazing clothes. Yeah. So Baking Collections is my business hustle. And then my personal account for this channel is JM Counter 1. So if you're interested in talking to me via Instagram, follow me on Instagram, JM Counter 1. And then if you're interested in buying some amazing clothes, you can check Joy King Collections. Yeah, so this is now Parklands. Yeah, Aga Khan Hospital. Yes. There's a friend over here who is looking at. There is JM Condo. I think we are done with this video. Thank you so much for watching my video and subscribing to the channel. Yeah, so hope to see you on my next video. Please subscribe. We need to get to 5,000 subscribers. Yeah, so show me love, guys. If it's your first time you are seeing this channel, please subscribe. So that way you are heading to Nairobi CBD. Yeah, this is Rimuru Road, and it has been constructed. So you can see now it has been expanded. So we'll be crossing here, and that's where I end my video. As I go home, please subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so if you are heading this way, you head to Nairobi CBD, and then everything is gonna be amazingly beautiful.